Hi, in this video we are going to see the multiple assistant professor vacancies notification from the multiple colleges, and here the few colleges are announcing the vacancies with only post graduation and a few with UG Senate and few with the PhD. So please let's check all the different colleges recruitment notification in this video, and if your subjects are not covered then please mention your subject in the comment section. So if I got the recruitment notification based upon your requirement, then definitely I will come up in the next video. And to get all my videos as a notifications to your devices, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the different recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate Electronic Science examination in the month of October 2021. Here the Unacademy is providing the paper 1 and paper 2 complete course as well as the MCQ course and the class PDFs you can download, test series and the doubt clearing sessions. Okay, so you may take the subscription plan, that the link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. And you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. And if you want to contact me personally regarding this one, in the description box the Telegram link is also kept, so you may find out, guys. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is the first college we are going to see here. So it is the Immaculate College of Education for Women from Puducherry. So here the assistant professor requirement is there for the departments of Physical Education Director and the Fine Arts. So the candidates who are having the 50% of marks in each of the public examination beginning with the 12th grade and the 55% in post graduation with a NET or SLET or PhD in the concerned subject, then you may apply for this post, guys. And here the apply immediately to the principal and secretary, Immaculate College of Education for Women, and here the address as well as the email ID and the contact number is also given here. So if you are having any queries regarding this recruitment notification, then you may contact or else put one mail to this provided mail ID. And coming to the second one is Accurate Education and Research Society. So applications are invited for the director and the professor, associate and assistant professor, technical trainer, GM account and the legal advisor, registrar as well as the faculties. Okay, and coming to the professor, associate and assistant professor in the departments of management, engineering, pharmacy and architecture, and the faculties in the BBA, BC and BCom and legal advisor, LLB. And the qualifications, everything as per the ACT and AKTU norms. So professor, associate and assistant professor in all disciplines in pharmacy, management and engineering. And the candidate who are applying for the legal advisor, minimum 5 years of practice in any district court. And the last date for the submission of application form is 27 September 2021, right? So here the mail ID is also provided, carits@accurate.in, and the contact number is also there, 088600 right? So if you are having any queries regarding this recruitment notification, then you may contact this number. And the next one is the Imperial Group of Institutions, okay, so from Bangalore. And here the invites application for the post as under for the colleges. Doctorates, professors and assistant professors are required for the stream of commerce, okay. Pre-university college or the degree college or MBA, and the schools and administration vacancies are also there. So coming to the administration, librarian, assistant and system administrator and the accountant, fine. And here the qualifications are also mentioned here, and the candidates pursuing the BEd or PhD may also apply for this one. So whoever the candidates having the enough qualification and the interest in this one, then you may send your resume to this provided mail ID, iiamblr.hr@gmail.com. And here the contact number is also provided, so you may contact this number if you are having any queries. And coming to the next one is the Guntur Engineering College. Okay, so contact number is there and the walk-in interviews are there on 26th September 2021, morning 9:30 a.m. on Sunday. So assistant professor in the departments of CSE, Civil, Mechanical, EC and Maths, and the lab technician, programmers and the librarian also required. And the candidates are requested to attend the interview with copy of resume, PAN card, Aadhaar and the 2 photos and original certificates. Okay, so these are all things that you have to bring at the time of the interview, guys, fine. And to get the detailed address, you may check down in the Google itself. And coming to the next one is the Crescent Institute of Science and Technology, the School of Law. The recruitment of assistant professors for the Department of Law. Eligibility is LLM with a net qualification or equivalent as per the UGC guidelines. And if the PhD is there, it is a desirable one. Even though if you are having net qualification with PG also, you may apply for this post, guys. So the interest and eligible candidates, send your resume to this provided mail ID here, directorhr@crescent.education, fine. And coming to the next one is KKR and KSR Institute of Technology and Sciences from Guntur. So here the assistant professor, CSC and lab technicians and programmers vacancies are there. and the interview date is on 26th September 2021. Okay, and Sunday at 9:30 a.m. And the candidates are requested to attend the interview with copy of resume, PAN card, Aadhaar, and 2 photos and the original certificates. Right. And coming to the next one, Saint Xavier Polytechnic College. So from Devakottai. So wanted the applications for the post of computer science, electrical and mechanical engineering. Qualification is UG or PG first class with 2 years of experience, and eligible candidates may apply to the address mentioned here, or else you may provide, you may send your resume to this provided mail ID, principal.xavierpoly@gmail.com. Fine. So total these are the different colleges notification guys. So most of in this video the recruitments are belongs to the engineering departments, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 different colleges. And if your subjects are not covered here, please mention your subjects in the comment section, so that definitely I will come up in the next video if I got any recruitment notifications related to your requirement. So to get all my videos as a notifications to your devices, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may listen guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the national eligibility test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the Iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs, and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the Iconic subscription. Okay.